Guess what? It's another success story because it's Feel Good Friday. So let's read it. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today I have another amazing success story because guess what? It's Feel Good Friday. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. Hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So this success story is amazing. Again, it's another one actually from the email coaching, Megan. So Megan's doing amazing. And so I'm going to read this one because it's really, really, really good. And it really demonstrates how she proved to herself how she was God. And I tell you, unstoppable. So I am so excited to be typing this email. I have a huge smile on my own face and no intentions of losing it. I did not see my specific person on the 12th like I intended, but I didn't let it get to me, as you said, and I intended to see him sometime this week. Well, sticking to my mental diet and positive affirmations worked because I got back from dinner with him and it was amazing. Remember, it's been almost 6 months since our breakup, which was pretty bad. I intended we would get sushi, walk around, and have a really positive, productive conversation. Even imagine the outfit he would wear. It all happened exactly how I intended, just a different location and date. When I saw his outfit, it fully hit me just how powerful I really am. This outfit isn't a favorite of his and has no real significance, so I picked it out knowing it would truly prove that I am the God of my universe. He even held me and kissed my forehead just like I wanted. After Amanda's success story videos, I kept intending and imagining the email I would write to you, Megan, and Amanda, reading my story on a video. Well, guess what? That intention has now just come true. And here I am. Yes, here you are, and here I am, and here we all are, reading your freaking amazing story, because I love it. Our conversations were so good, and we have plans to see each other very soon. My specific person said things to me I have been wanting to hear. I also wanted to shout out to, Amy from Illuminating Joy, who she's amazing. I'll link her channel down below. I think Amy is the bomb, okay? Who recommends saying exactly this or better than I imagined when making intentions. As some coaches say, you must say this or something better. And that may not resonate with everybody. So this was a game changer for me. And I add and better than imagined to my intentions all the time. I am so freaking excited. Thank you so much for your support and wisdom. Megan and Amanda, you're absolute best. No, you're absolutely the best. No, you. This is really amazing. And, I really love the fact, that we point out in here that you picked the outfit to have him dress up in, one that he didn't particularly like, and that he had zero resistance to, and he did. And that's the thing that made you realize that, yeah, you're God. So you know what, everybody out there, take a look at your lives. What can you actually create that is really not that huge of a deal, but that's going to prove to you that and show you evidence that you are the God of your universe. It could be the smallest thing, create anything that you want, and when the person says it to you, it's almost like, what is going on? So, yes, you know what? Everybody stick with your intentions, your mental diet, your affirmations, your thoughts create. Every single thought that you have create. I know that each and every one of you guys can do it. Anyways, yes, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.